I thank you very much for watching the prepositions lesson 1 and 2. Now in this preposition part 3, we will discuss some of the questions which is already asked in the UGC question papers. In December 2019, one question is, some students are sincere is an example of which proposition? Universal affirmative, universal negation, particular affirmative, particular negation. Before answer all these previous questions, you must have the square of opposition diagram in your hand. And explanation for this question, you check with the square of opposition diagram. In the square of opposition diagram, there are four corners A, E, I, O. Here, in one corner, that is in I corner, sum S is P. Here, the given example is, some students are sincere. See the logical relation table. Now, first you must have a logical relation table and the square of opposition table and the rules table in your hand before answer all these questions. It is very important. If you are thorough in all these three tables, you can answer all the questions very easily. In this question, some students are sincere. This is an example for some SSP. It is in the I corner. In the I corner, that type of proposition is particular affirmative. We'll see the next question. And the same year 2019, there are a pair of proposition. All students clear their examinations and few students did not clear their examinations. In 1 and 2, we saw some examples. All students clear their examination and a few students means some students. Few means some. Some students did not clear their examination. This is an instance of contradictory, contrary, subaltern or superaltern. Now you are very thorough. Immediately you can answer for this question. This belongs to the contradictory. If you want to check with this, check the square of opposition diagram. The corner, you catch the corner A and O. Every SSP, that is every means all. Some S is not P. Few students, few is equivalent to yes. So it belongs to contradictory. In June 2019, when subject and predicate of both the premises are the same, but they differ in quality only. So here I already told you, I explained in the lesson 1, the rules table, the different quality premises are same but differ in quality means contrary. Then in the same question paper, if the proposition all republics are graceful is taken to be true, then which of the following propositions can be false? It is very easy. Republics, you can answer immediately. Sometimes one answer may be right, or two answer may be right, or 3 or 4 answer may be right. Here there are all republics are grateful. Here you have to put not graceful in between the word. Republics are not grateful is a right. Some republics are not grateful is right. No republics are grateful is right. So answer 1, 2, 3. That is the answer. 3 is the correct answer. And the same question paper, the proposition no red is black is equivalent to, here that is this one is true. Again they are asking the true answer. What are the propositions are equivalent proposition? So you can find out very easily. No black is red and red is not black. That is the answer number 3 is right. In December 2018, which one of the following can be validly inferred from the proposition? The statement, the proposition given is all animals are wild. You must observe in the lesson 1, validly inferred means they are asking subaltern. What is the equivalent subaltern statement? All animals are wild. You verify the square of opposition diagram and you tell the answer. Some animals are wild is the right answer. You see here A and I. Subaltern A and I. Every S is P. So this one is equivalent to all animals are wild. What is the subaltern statement? Some is P. So some animals are wild. So the answer 4 is right. Again, the same December 2018, among the following, there are two statements which cannot be true together but can be false. Cannot be true and can be false. Cannot be true, can be false means this contrary. Means contrary. What are the two pairs? What are the two statements? That is, all poets are dreamers and no poets are dreamers. Cannot be true. All becomes no. In the contrary, in the first lesson and the second lesson, I have given some example. So you verify the contrary. Every SSP and no SSP. All, every means all. That is equivalent. And no, there is a no intermediate form. So A and B, statement A and B comes under the contrary pairs. These two are contrary pairs. Suppose A and D are contradictory pair and C and D are subcontrary pair. And then December 2015, among the following statements, two are contradicted to each other. It is a very direct question. Select the correct answer. All poets are philosophers and some poets are not philosophers. A and C are the right answer. Also, you can check with the square of opposition diagram. Thanks for watching this proposition part 3 lesson. All the best.